in, on, or at. How to use prepositions of place correctly. Welcome back, English learners, to Ranjit's classes. In today's lesson, we are going to tackle a common challenge in English grammar, prepositions of place. Specifically, we will focus on the usage of in, on, and at when indicating location. Understanding how to correctly use these prepositions is essential for effective communication in English. So, let's dive right in. Prepositions of place. English grammar. In, on, at. Using prepositions correctly. English communication skills. Introduction. In, on, or at, understanding prepositions of place. In, used for larger areas, enclosures, and general locations. We often use in when referring to larger areas, enclosures, or general locations. For instance, it is suitable to use in when we talk about being inside a building, country, city, or continent. Examples. I live in an apartment. The Eiffel Tower is in Paris. There is a beautiful beach in Australia. On, used for surfaces in position. Now, let's move on to the preposition on. We use on when referring to surfaces or position. It indicates that something is in direct contact with a surface or physically located above it. Examples. Please place the book on the table. The cat is sitting on the chair. I saw a note on the fridge. At, used for specific points, addresses, and public places. Lastly, we have the preposition at. We use at to point out specific points, addresses, or public places. It indicates a particular location or event. Examples. Meet me at the park at 3 p.m. The concert is at Madison Square Garden. I need to stop at the gas station. Exceptions and special cases. While in, on, and at are commonly used prepositions of place, there are some exceptions and special cases that you need to be aware of to ensure accurate use. Let's take a look at a couple of these exceptions. Exception 1 on versus in. When talking about modes of transportation, we typically use on instead of in. This is because transportation is considered as a surface rather than an enclosed space. Examples. I traveled on the bus. She flew on a plane. Let's go on a train ride. Exception 2 in versus at. When discussing places of business or specific establishments, we generally use at instead of in. This is because these locations are seen as points or addresses rather than larger enclosures. Examples. I have an appointment at the dentist. He works at a bank. Let's meet at the restaurant. Conclusion. And there you have it. Understanding and using prepositions of place correctly can greatly enhance your English communication skills. By utilizing in, on, and at appropriately, you will be able to provide accurate descriptions of location and improve your overall clarity when speaking or writing in English. Thank you for watching today's lesson on prepositions of place. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying when to use in, on, or at. Don't forget to practice and apply what you've learned. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English grammar lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep improving.